Hey and welcome to this new video of ECMAScript6. So in this video it will be a short video, just I want to show you how you can add classes or IDs from JavaScript. I don't know why you will do that, but it's good to know. So here in our JavaScript or our code before, we have those columns. I don't think that we will use them in here, so we will make them like comment also like this. Now let's create a new one. So here for example we have this div for example, so let's take it, or let's add a class in here, or an id equal for example test, just the test. And now let's go and create a new const. Let's name it also my div equal to document, and this time we will use get element by id because we want the id. So get element by id, and the name of the id, I think it's test. So here in test let's do some here, and it will be for g's test. So ig test, and here if we type for example console.log and here my div dot ig like this, and if we go to our now browser or refresh, and let's see in the console what we will have undefined, I think ig all capital like this. So let's refresh now, still undefined. I think it's like this to put lower. Now let's go here, refresh, and here it is, the name of our id. If we want, for example, if we have another id and we want to to make it here for this id, we will just go and type my div dot id equal and give it here the new id, for example new id. Let's save, and here we show it, or we type it in the output, refresh, and here it is. We changed the id from JavaScript. Same thing we can do also for the class. And for the class, let's use our query selector all. So we'll just copy this, and maybe I will paste it in here. I will now make also this as a comment, and here my query selector all, and I will use not div but this one, first dot span, and we said that it return an array, so we need of loop. So for example I don't know, let's name it st as before of my div. Here let's use it with let or const, same thing, and here let's use this st dot class list, or let's type it just with the class name to see. So console.log, and here we will use this st dot class name. Save. Let's go now and refresh. Nothing happened. Maybe I need to type it here, my div dot class name. Yeah, inside and console log, so console dot log here till here and make the rest comment. Go now, refresh. I need to close my comment. Now refresh, still undefined. So don't worry, this is not what I was intended to show you, but for example here let's use st dot and use this class list and then dot add if we want to add a new class. So let's add I know now the error undefined because in this span we don't have any class, that's why. So let's try here to use class equal, for example, test class, save, copy it and paste it also in the second span. Now let's go back to our code before. Class name, save it, go refresh, and here it is, test class. Now class list add, and let's add a new class. Let's add for example this class, and let's use here background color so that we can see it. So background, where is color? Here it is. Let's make it also green, and here add first. So save, go back, refresh. I believe I need a dot in here. Refresh. Here again, why we didn't see nothing, because it already have this first class. So let's create a new class. So let's name it, I don't know, test. And here let's use background color and make it yellow. And let's add this test in here. So test, save, go now, refresh, and here it is. If we go back to inspect element, here in the ID we will see that our span have test class, and also we add this test. Now if we want to remove a class, we type here instead of add, remove. So remove. Now let's go back, see, and our class, it will be removed. So I think this is just, it's nice to know how we can get or change classes and ID from our JS code or from our JavaScript code, and it can be applied, or and we can touch here in the code of HTML, add class, remove them just from our JS. So I think this is all for this video. In the next video I believe we will learn about element. So I think this is all. See you next.